What's up? Y'all like, this girl. Hold on, y'all. Pull my dress up. Okay, that's better. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Whew, I'm about to go see my esthetician. I have not seen her in a month. And honestly, there is no blemishes on my face besides this one blemish. But everything else is kind of like nice and even. No, everything else is smooth. It's not even yet. Hey, Sasha. It's not even yet. So that's where I went to the dermatologist today. So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Elvira Valdez and this is EFP Media. Here we explore faith, wellness, personal growth, and journaling. This segment of the show will be considered like wellness. This morning I spoke on personal growth, areas that I see in my life that are, you know, a gift and a curse, and just to kind of backpedal on that topic. I did go back and listen to what I said, and you know, though I was passionate because that topic is very near and dear to my heart, I also wanted to note that I truly believe that there are people in this world that will see that part of me and find it to be a blessing, to find it to be like, oh my God, like this woman is an asset because she's willing to discern things for me that I may not be able to see myself. She can step into certain areas and be like, and kind of give me some insight, you know. And I believe in an almighty God, and I believe that there are groups of people in different walks of life that would appreciate that part of me. However, my life experiences have not put me in front of those people as of yet that I know of. So I wanted to kind of just backpedal on that real quick. But as far as wellness is concerned, so let me tell you guys, Thursday I had an appointment with my dentist. So I go see the dentist every 3 months to get my teeth cleaned. You see, I go get my teeth cleaned. So I went last Thursday to go get the teeth cleaned. You guys remember I was in the car, you know, talking to you all. That took about an hour of my time. And then yesterday, I went to go see my dermatologist because, as you all know, I struggle with eczema. And about 3 weeks ago, almost a month ago, my face was so inflamed with rash and inflammation. And some of you guys can't really see it because of the camera, but there's some parts of my face that is lighter than the other and darker than the other, but for the most part on camera it doesn't really reflect that. So anyway, I went to the dermatologist yesterday to go get an overview of my skin to kind of see where I'm at and see how, you know, the medicine that the steroid cream that they provided, how it was working. So that's what we got going on now. That's what happened yesterday. That's what I did yesterday. So I am very excited about that. So when I went, she followed up with me and saw that, you know, my face and everything is kind of like, you know, simmering down, clearing up, and all of that stuff. And then I've also been I've been minimizing my minimizing my skincare routine. So initially I was using like actives, and it was so much. And I realized that the older that I get, sometimes less is more. So after my whole eczema debacle on my face, I kind of simplified my skincare routine, and now we kind of just do the simple cleanse, tone, moisturize, steroid cream. But then now she prescribed me a prescription retinol that is going to help me kind of clean up my skin turnover. It's going to increase my skin turnover to help with the hyperpigmentation and discoloration on my face. So that's what I did with my dermatologist yesterday. So we got that. So now I'm going to go see an esthetician. I'm going to go see an esthetician, and I don't know what her plan is today. I'll come back on live and kind of tell y'all what she said. But yeah, so I'm going to go see the esthetician. We're going to talk about, hey Mercy Car, we're going to talk about our new plan, like what I can look forward to and things like that. I'm not sure if we're doing a facial today. I have no idea what we're doing today because I have not seen my esthetician in maybe like 2 months because of the eczema flare up. I had to kind of take a pause on seeing my esthetician. So that is, to say the least. I saw a question in the chat that asked, do I use the same towel for my body and my face? And the answer is no. I actually have four different washcloths. And the reason why is that I do have one for my body. So I have that's a loaded question, but here's your answer. So no, I actually have 2 washcloths for my face, and I also have a facial scrubber. And then I have 2 different washing utensils for my body, where I have a washcloth, and then I go in with a fufa. I think that's how you say a loofah. There we go. And then I go in with a loofah. So I use Dr. Bronner's soap, that Castile soap. I use that first with a washcloth. I use the washcloth to wash the body with the Castile Dr. Bronner's soap. And then after I do that about 2 times, get all the dirt, get all the oils off of the skin. Then I go in and I use my Saltar body wash, and then I use a loofah for that, where that kind of puts the moisture back inside my skin that I just basically stripped from using the Dr. Bronner's. And the reason why is because the Dr. Bronner's actually, like, I feel like it gets every piece of dirt off your body, okay? And then I go in with the Saltar or a Dove, if that's easier for you guys to get your hands on. Then I go in with a Dove and do like 2 washes with that. Now, when it comes to my face, I have a facial cloth that I use for cleansing. And then when I want to do a gentle exfoliation, I use the facial scrub that I have. It's like a little pad that's like literally 2 inches big or wide, and I use it to the skin. And then which is very gentle, it's silicone. That's what it is, it's silicone. And then I also have like I have a face cloth that I use on my face. Now, I don't use regular wash towels for my face. I actually use the I can't think of the name of it, but it's the soft material that we use for babies, like the babies, when the babies have their like bibs and stuff. Those types of washcloths is what I use on my face. So the body, of course, you could be a little bit more not rough, but you can do a little bit more with the body as far as washcloths is concerned. But when it comes to like my face and gentle areas on the body, I use the baby burp. I can't think of the material, but I use that type of material to wash my face with, to clean certain intimate parts of my body. I use that. So I have quite a few. Different washcloths. I don't use the same one all the time, okay? That's not the problem. That's not the case. Dang, that lady was like up on me. My goodness. She was not trying to let me go nowhere. So that's how I do that. But that's it. So I shared this as a wellness. The Palm Studio. I don't think that's me. Where am I at? I'm downtown, so we have to do paid parking downtown. It's so confusing. Oh, y'all, do I got $3? Somebody cash at me $3. So that's it, guys. I'm here. I just wanted to share as your reminder to take care of yourselves. You know, book those appointments, get things situated so that way you are always taking care of yourself. You know, self-love starts with taking care of yourself. All right, bye, y'all.